Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents. Never compete for someone's attention. Do you ever feel as though you are in a constant struggle for someone's attention? When you feel like you are continually doing all the work and receiving almost nothing return, it can become extremely frustrating. You may wonder if they care about you. Relationship experts claim that competing for someone's attention usually backfires and causes them to want to distance themselves from you. But what if I told you there was a lot more effective method to handle this circumstance? If you follow the 9 steps and tips we'll show you in this video, you'll not only get their attention, but they'll also start chasing you. Watch this video carefully and follow the 9 steps in the order given so you don't miss anything important. Before getting started and providing you the solution, let's take a step back and study the issue so that we can better comprehend it. Most people battle for attention because they fear being ignored or rejected, which is usually the main motivation. They believe that if they don't make an effort, the other person won't notice them, so they strive to get as close as possible and do everything they can to get their attention. This frequently has the opposite impact of what they want. Instead of getting the person's attention, they often push them away because they feel suffocated and desperate. What can you do instead to make the other person chase you? The remedy is surprisingly simple. Step 1. Stop pursuing. The first step that you need to take is to stop chasing the person that you want to attract. This means that you need to stop trying to be around them all the time. Stop texting them constantly and stop doing things that they want to do just so that you can be close to them. You need to give them some space and let them come to you. This might be hard at first, but it is essential if you want to make them start chasing you. Right now, they have an image of you in their head that is probably of a needy and desperate person. You want to change that image so that they see you as someone strong, independent and confident. The best way to do this is by giving them some space and showing them that you don't need them to be happy. Step 2. Be responsible for how you feel. We often put our happiness on someone we like. We assume they make us happy and that if they don't offer us attention we'll be sad. This is not true. You are in charge of your own happiness, and you need to learn to handle your feelings. This doesn't mean you shouldn't feel when the person you like ignores you. It just means that you must learn to be content without them. When they discover you are content without them, they will begin to pursue you. It's called the law of scarcity. According to this, individuals are more drawn to costly and rare items than ones they can easily obtain. If you can demonstrate the person you like that you're happy without them, they'll start to perceive you as a rare and valuable commodity they require. Step 3. Follow your principles. According to relationship gurus, following your ideals makes people want you more. True to yourself gives you confidence and self-assurance, which others find attractive. Living by your beliefs also makes it evident that you are unwilling to compromise on what is important to you. As a result, the person pursuing you will have to work harder to win your attention. You are more likely to find someone who actually matches your beliefs if you live by them. After all, compatibility is essential for a long-lasting and happy relationship. If they don't share your values, then they aren't worth your time and attention. Step 4. Interested but not needy. It's important to show the person you like that you're interested in them, but you shouldn't do it in a way that makes you look needy or desperate. Here's how to do it right. Show them you're there when they need you. By being truthful with them, you can win their trust. Be encouraging without being suffocating. Always ensure that your actions reflect your words. By using these straightforward suggestions, you may demonstrate to the person you like that you are a dependable, trustworthy individual who isn't needy, the kind of person they will want to be with. Step 5. Be the finest version of yourself. For maximum desirability, you must do this significant action. You must strive to be the finest possible version of yourself. This doesn't mean you need to change who you are, it just means you should try to be the best you can be. Setting goals for yourself and putting forth the effort to achieve them is one way to go about it. Have a cheerful attitude and an optimistic outlook. Show compassion and aid to those around you. This will boost your confidence. You'll become more appealing as a result. Step 6. Be patient. Being patient is necessary if you want to develop a long-lasting relationship with someone. Being patient simply means allowing the other person the time they need to get to know you and form feelings for you. You can't compel someone to like you, and if you do, all you'll accomplish is drive them away. Keep in mind that people develop feelings for others at different speeds. This means you may have to wait until they're ready to move forward. Step 7. Taking nothing personally. I know it hurts to feel neglected, but it may not be personal. The person could be ignoring you for a million different reasons, but none of them have anything to do with you. Perhaps they are going through a difficult moment and require some space. If they have a lot going on in their lives right now, whether it be job or school, Regardless of the cause, you must keep in mind that it is not about you and give them the space they require. The idea is to have your own life and not make them your universe, thus reducing the impact of their neglect. Step 8. Prove to them that other people need you. Showing someone that you are desired by others is one of the finest methods to increase their desire for you. Although it seems odd, this actually works. When somebody sees that other people are interested in you, that person's likelihood of wanting you themselves increases. This is a tried and true strategy because people are more likely to want you when they feel like they are striving for your attention. Humans naturally react this way when they believe they are in a competitive situation. Step 9. Be ready to give up. The most crucial step is this final one. It can be scary to think about walking away, but you have to do it if you want someone to want you more. Walking away demonstrates that you're not desperate and won't tolerate their terrible behavior. That demonstrates to them that you are a high-value individual who will not put up with unfair treatment. When you accomplish this, people will understand that treating you well is necessary if they want to maintain your presence in their lives, which is precisely what you desire. This approach makes people want you more and attracts better people. Before we end this video, here are 3 important things to keep in mind. 1. Don't chase someone or fight for their attention to make them want you. This will simply drive them away. 2. Don't accept anything less than you've earned. Instead, strive to be the best version of yourself. 3. Leave anyone who mistreats you. After all, you deserve to be in a relationship with someone who accepts you for who you are. If you liked this video, please hit that subscribe button and check out the suggested videos below. Thanks for watching.